Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to share some tips on how to decor your home with wall decor and dining table. Firstly, let's talk about wall decor. Adding wall art is a great way to make your home feel more personal and inviting. You can choose from a variety of options such as paintings, print and tapestry, or even create a gallery wall and with a mix of different pieces. When selecting your wall decor, consider the colors and the style of your furniture and the overall vibes you want to create in the room. And now let's move on to the dining table. And the dining table is often the centerpiece of the room, so it's important to make it look beautiful and inviting. Start by selecting a tablecloth or placemat that complements your decor. Then add some decorative elements such as a centerpiece, candles, or even fresh flower for a pop of color. Don't forget about the dishes and the silverwares. Choose piece that match your style and elevate the overall look of the dining table. And when it comes to decorating your home, it's all about finding pieces that speak to you and reflect your personality. And so don't be afraid to experiment with different style or color until you find what works best for you. And with these tips, you will well on your way to creating a beautiful and inviting space that you will love spending in time in. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion. I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. So if you want to purchase this dining table, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.